Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove Ford Taurus battery. Begin by parking on level ground and engaging the parking brake. Open the hood and locate the 12V battery near the front engine bay. Use safety glasses and gloves while you work to avoid acid exposure. Disconnect the negative terminal first using a 10mm wrench, then the positive terminal. Secure loose cables and remove any hold-down bracket carefully to lift the battery out. Start by turning off the ignition and removing keys from the vehicle to prevent current draw. Locate the negative terminal marked with a minus sign and loosen the nut with a 10mm wrench. Wiggle the clamp free and tuck it away from the battery to prevent accidental contact. Repeat the process for the positive terminal, keeping metal tools clear of both posts. Take a photo of cable positions so you can reconnect everything correctly later on. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: those leak-proof meal prep containers are great for keeping lunch secure after a messy battery swap. They seal tight and fit in most bags. I use them when I change batteries to keep snacks intact and hands clean. Check the video description for the product link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Check for a hold-down clamp or bracket and remove its bolts with the appropriate socket. Lift the clamp away and inspect the battery for corrosion or leaks before attempting removal. Use both hands and a firm grip to lift the battery straight up, keeping it level to avoid spilling electrolyte. If the battery is heavy, ask for assistance to prevent strain. Set the battery on a stable, non-metal surface and clean the tray area before installing a new unit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.